Hi viewers, welcome to this channel. So before you watch this video, please subscribe to this channel. And before you try this SSIS end-to-end project, the primary requisites were, first thing is you need to install a Northwind database from the Google into your SQL Server Management Studio. And after that, create a database named data conversion project by right clicking on the database and going into the new database. So that is data conversion project. Why we are installing this Northwind database? Because you will be having sample tables here. So here we are going to use this customers table. We are going to transfer, that is copy one table from one database to the other table of another database. So we are going to copy this table from Northwind database to the data conversion project database. So that will be done by selecting the Northwind database, go into the tasks, go to the export data. So once you click on that one, this wizard will be opened. That is welcome to SQL Server import and export wizard. So click next. And here you need to select the valid data source, that is here my source should be of a SQL Server native client. So this will be the server name it will be giving. So Northwind database. So click next. Now it will be asking for the destination. That means firstly what we are going to do, we are going to export this database named that is sorry, not database, we are going to export this table named customers from the Northwind database to the database project data conversion project database indirectly. That means from Northwind database file we are going to convert it into, that is export it into Excel file. So for that purpose the destination file, select it as Microsoft Excel file. So it will from this so the data which is exported from Northwind database source to the Microsoft Excel destination, so that will be loaded into the SSIS by using the Excel source type of tool, and from that you will be converting it into database file of the data conversion project database. So for next what we need to do, select the Excel file path, that is browse. So for that one we need to create an empty Excel. So this was the thing I have selected. Click open, and after that click next. So here two options will be there, but now we need to copy data from one or more tables or views to the another database. So from existing database to another database. So select first one. So click next, and it will be asking for the tables you want to transfer, that is a copy, that is exporting. So customers data. So click next. So after that you need to save this one, and if you click on next it will be showing the success. So already I have done. So after that, so the data from that customers table, the data from the customers table of Northwind will be exported to the Excel file we have selected here. So this, if you look here, this is the customer sheet where the data is from the Northwind database. So now this what we are going to do is that now, so we are going to drag a data flow task from the SSIS toolbox here, and now double click on that one and drag an Excel file source from here to here and rename it to customers, and a destination file should be OLEDB destination, drag here. Now we are going to convert these customers to OLEDB destination. So this customers file which is of Excel file source, so it should be given with a Excel connection manager, that is nothing but the this Excel file table, and it will be showing new tab and as well as the customers tab. So we need to select the customers because we are going to convert this customer sheet to database file. So now after that, select that customer sheet, and you need to map that one, the columns, and click OK. So with that, customers Excel file sheet will be converted to database. But once you run for the first time, all the Excel file data will be loaded to the database file of OLEDB destination, that is a customer's database file. We are going to name it, and the database name is that we have created in the SQL Server data conversion project. So after that, if you execute rerun that execution, under that case the rows which are present in the Excel which are exported to database file will be double in the second execution. In order to avoid that doubling effect, you will be going for an execute SQL task from the SSIS toolbox and you will be renaming to that one, and you will be selecting the connection type to OLEDB and connection from that database project we have created, and here you need to write the SQL statement, that is delete from customers database file. As the here we need to select the destination thing only. Here the destination is nothing but OLEDB. So and the table name is customers DB file. That's why we have deleted from that one, so that repetition will be repetition of execution of data rows will be avoided. So with that, this task will be finished. And coming to the 2 and 3 tasks, for that one, what we need to have is that you need to have a CSV file that I have given in the description. So products data. So here, so in the products data, this is the data I have entered. So I have given in the description link so to download this source file. So this one I need to convert into database file first. So for that one, I will be using a data flow task again, and here I will be renaming, and I will be this time using a flat file source connection. So that is here, from here the source type is of a flat file, so that I will be dragging, and OLEDB destination from CSV file to database file of what we call data conversion project database we have created, and named the table to products data OLEDB file. So the products data flat file connection. So this is the flat file connection manager. We need to load from the desktop where we have downloaded this products data CSV file, and all the data will be loaded to here. So 1 rows. So after that, you need to go to here, and again you need to drag and execute SQL task from here. And now in order to avoid the repetition of rows for the second execution, you need to write a statement, this one. So that is delete from products database OLEDB file. And after that, this OLEDB file should be converted to Excel file again. CSV file to CSV file to OLEDB file, OLEDB file to Excel file. So for that one, again we need to take a data flow task component. So double click. So OLEDB source is from data conversion project database, and the table is products data OLEDB file. So columns map those things, and now we need to convert that data by using the data conversion, and each and every data type should be changed to Unicode string dt underscore WSTR. So this was the all of same data type we are going to convert, because in the Excel we need to mention only string. And after that, connect to Excel destination, and you need to select that Excel file new tab this time, because here we are having customers under new tab. So select this one. Initially it will be empty. So after that, you need to map here with that is conversion things, that is copy of, rather than into product to into product, now copy of we need to take that one. So after that, you map that one. So if you execute that one, so this Excel file which is having empty sheet here, which will be filled with these rows. These rows, that is from the OLEDB of the CSV file. So see here, the product data is having 10 rows, and the Excel new tab that is converted is having 10 rows. That means from CSV file to OLEDB, and from OLEDB to Excel file. Now if we don't use an execute SQL task here now, again similar to the database file also, the Excel data also for the second time, from the second time of execution, the number of rows will be doubled. So it will be going on increasing based on the number of executions. In order to avoid that one, here we need to drag a execute SQL task, and a small change is there here. We need to select the connection type as a Excel, and a connection as from, we need to give the Excel sports connection, and you need to write an SQL statement. That is, first you need to drop the Excel sheet, that is new tab, because the name of this one is a new tab here. So this one you need to drop first and go, and after that you need to create again a table new tab with these headers. So with these headers, copy paste from here. Once you click on the new, you will be getting that one. Okay, so after that the repetition won't be allowed, so that you can execute as many times. And after that, if you execute this one by clicking here, everything will be executed. So after everything has been done, so solution, go to the solution explorer for deployment. So right click on the project, so click on the deploy. So it will asking these 5 steps. So click next. So yes, select SSIS in SQL Server. Click next. So server name I am going to give as dot. So already a project named is there. So already it has been deployed. So this is how you execute the project. So kindly subscribe for more projects. Thank you so much.